Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's Halloween look is this half skull. This look is pretty simple, you can do it however you want. I'm just starting off with some white face paint. These are just face paints from Snazaroo, and I'm just using the shades white and the shades black, and I'm just doing some shading and stuff with a grey eyeshadow or a black eyeshadow. As I said, this is quite a simple look, you can change it up or do it however you want. This is just how I've done it. So I'm not going to talk too much through this because there's really no point. Obviously you can create this however you wish. It's entirely up to you, but this is just my version of it. So I hope you guys love it. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys. We are really trying to get to 10k. So I hope you guys all love it and stay tuned for more.
When I'm with you, stars align. Yeah. I'm falling for your sweet talk, girl. And your body got my eyes locked. Figure eight curves and I've been drifting like skirt. Baby, I've been craving for your golden town. Tryna make a little mama. Doesn't matter how you're gonna. You can lean on me like Taro Pizza. Y'all give me a piece of mind like you were Saint Teresa. But damn, you can also be a danger. Now movie I'm in like wild savannah, playing with lava. Damn, nah, no isang mo drama. Wanna always be making love to ya. You steal, it's a crime. Damn girl, you're fine. When I'm with you, stars align. You steal, it's a crime. Damn girl, you're fine. When I'm with you, stars align.